Hey, this is Paul from Wondershare MobileTrans, and if you've ever had a look at downloading an instant messenger app, there are hundreds out there for both iOS and Android, but one of the most popular in the world is that of WhatsApp. And with WhatsApp, you can send loads of different files. So you can send videos, photos, you can send locations, you can send almost everything. And you can also send voice notes. One of the most popular questions that we get asked here on the channel is, if you have WhatsApp and you want to save and download a voice note, how can you do it? Is it easy? Well, it's not as easy as you might think, because if you want to download a video or a photo, it will go straight to your camera roll. But when you want to download an audio message, there's just a little bit more involved than there is just saving it to your camera roll. But not to worry, because in today's video, that is exactly what we are going to talk about. We will tell you how you can download and save audios from WhatsApp. But of course, before we get into today's video, if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to the MobileTrans channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos that we post here on the channel. And if you've done all of that, well, let's get into today's video. If you've ever used WhatsApp, then you almost certainly have sent a voice note or received a voice note at some point, and it's kind of made us a little bit lazy using the keyboard now that we can just use that little voice note option. And I do it all the time with some of my friends because it's just a little bit easier. And it's not just me that does it to my friends. Businesses sometimes do entire interactions on WhatsApp just using voice notes. And if you do something like that, it might come in really important that you might need this for future reference. And that's what today's video is going to be all about. It's going to be showing you how you can download and save those voice notes from WhatsApp. And if you're sat there thinking, oh, this is going to be really difficult, don't you worry about it. It's not going to be difficult. We'll make it nice and easy, and we'll take baby steps to show you exactly how you can do it. So first of all, let's show you how you can do this on an Android device. There are a few different ways that you can do this on an Android device, but let's show you our first method, and that is to be using Gmail. Okay, the first thing you need to do is launch WhatsApp and the conversation containing the audio file that you want to save. Next, tap and hold the audio until a menu appears. Tap the share icon, and then from those options, just select Gmail. Then all you need to do is export the audio as a Gmail attachment, and then you can download the audio by opening the email on your computer or your device. And it is as easy as that for trying to do it with Gmail, but you can also save them to your file's external or internal storage. So if you follow these next steps, we'll show you exactly how to do that with File Manager. Firstly, launch File Manager and navigate to the internal storage and WhatsApp folder, and then when in there, just tap on that media folder. Next, there will be folders for various types of media, such as WhatsApp images, audio, voice. You need to navigate to that WhatsApp voice folder to access the exchange voice notes, and the WhatsApp audio folder to access the saved audio files. Then, explore the saved audio files from here, and then just copy and move them to another location to save them. It is as simple as that. Nice, easy steps for you to then be able to save those audios using your phone and its File Manager and Gmail. But what if you don't have an Android device and you have an iPhone? Well, let me tell you how you can do that. As you saw in that previous step, when you want to save a voice note on Android, it's really quite simple and doesn't take long at all. But is it as simple as that on iPhone? Well, of course, because it's Apple and it's an iPhone, no, it is not as simple as it was on Android. You can still do it, but it's just not as easy. And you might sit there and say, well, can you email the audios to yourself like you can on Android? And the answer to that is yes, and we will show you how to do it. But you can't go and access File Manager and save those audios yourself to your phone's storage. They are saved on your phone's storage, but the question to that is where? Well, if you follow these next easy steps, we will show you exactly how you can then export those audios from WhatsApp onto any device that you need from an iPhone. So let's show you how to do it. When you receive an audio file or voice note via WhatsApp, tap the download button and save it to your phone's storage. Now, go to Settings, and then click iCloud on your phone and make sure that you have got iCloud Drive enabled. And then connect it to an active iCloud account. Scroll down and enable the Save WhatsApp Data option. This would back up WhatsApp media, including audios, to iCloud. If you don't want to save the entire WhatsApp data, you can actually email yourself specific voice notes or audio files. Open your WhatsApp conversation and choose an audio file or voice note to save. As you hold it, you'll see various options such as to reply, forward, delete, and so on. Tap the forward button, then select the option to share the audio file. This will show you various ways to share WhatsApp audio files such as messages, notes, and iCloud Drive, and a few more as well. Tap the mail option to open a new draft window with the attached audio file you've chosen. You can now email it to yourself or any of your contacts. And it is that simple. That is how you save your voice notes or audio notes from your iPhone on WhatsApp. But we have another method as well that we want to show you, and this one is called MobileTrans. If you're someone that uses WhatsApp on a regular basis for business or personal use, then you might want to try backing that WhatsApp up. Sadly for us, WhatsApp does not offer you a native solution to do those backups on a computer. So for this, we need to use a third-party piece of software, and that third-party piece of software is something you may have heard of before, and it is called MobileTrans. It's a useful and simple app that can back up all your WhatsApp data from your iPhone or Android to your computer, including chats, audio, voice notes, documents, etc. And then you can preview and restore the backup to your device if you ever lose those chats on your phone. If you need a link to download MobileTrans, then just check the description below and you can go ahead and download it. And while you do that, let me show you the step-by-step guide on exactly how you would back up your WhatsApp using MobileTrans. Firstly, just launch MobileTrans and navigate to the Backup and Restore tab, and then connect your phone to the system with a working cable. Secondly, navigate to the WhatsApp section and select the App Backup and Restore feature, and then click WhatsApp to proceed. You then just have to press the Start button and wait a few moments. The application will then create a comprehensive backup of all your WhatsApp data. You'll then be notified when the process is complete so that you can safely remove your phone. And then if you want, you can view the backup content from here. You can then also connect your device and select the Restore WhatsApp Backup option to see a list of available backups, and then here, that is where you would restore them. And that is exactly how you use these methods to make sure that your voice notes are saved to either your local file storage on an Android, so you can have them and export them to anywhere you like, or on an Android and iPhone, you can use your mail app to make sure that they are sent to any of your contacts, so you can keep those voice notes safe and sound for as long as you need. And of course, we showed you MobileTrans as well, a perfect way to back up your WhatsApp and make sure you don't lose ever any of that data that you've got for your personal or business account. If you enjoyed this video and we helped you out, then why not let us know in the comments below, and of course, let us know if you need any help with any WhatsApp related stuff, and we will see if we can make a video for you. Why not like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn up notification bell on as well, and if you do all of that, we will see you in the next video.